All right, welcome to this special presentation on the most trusted, verified, guaranteed, and approved online investment platform. This is verified globally, trusted globally, authenticated globally. And this system is paying 3% daily earning for any amount you have to invest. You can invest between $10 and $100 million. If you have $10, you are free to start. You have $100, you are good to go. You have $300, $1,000, $10 million, you are still good to go. You have $20 million, you are still good to go. You have more than $100 million, then you need to write for expansion of your investment before you can invest. And this system has been paying for 8 years and 4 months. It has been in operation from 2018 February till today. From 2018, this system has been paying 3% of investors' fund daily till today. And how the system works is any amount you deposit, it runs for 60 days. It's not forever investment. If you invest any amount today, it runs for 60 days, giving you 3% daily for 60 days. At the end of the 60 days, your payment stops on that very investment. So, in each 60 days, you get 180%. 3 times is 8. 3 times is 6 is 18. So, you get 180% of any amount you put. Assuming you put in $1,000, in 60 days, you get $1,800. The $800 becomes your profit, and the $1,000 becomes your capital. At the end of the tenure, at the end of the 60 days, there is no other capital return. The 160, 180 that you get, 180% you get within the 60 days. 80% is your profit, while 100% is your capital return. If you want to reinvest it daily, no problem. Anytime you get up to $10 in your dashboard, you can reinvest it, and it will also count on its own. Or you can wait till maybe at the end of the 60 days, you want to reinvest it or you want to withdraw it, whichever one is left for you. Anytime you make additional deposits or additional reinvestment, that investment will stand on its own to count for 60 days for itself. So anytime you make deposits, you are getting 80% of that amount you put in that day, 60 days from the day you put it. Okay, let's go and see how this system really is. Is it true that this system is true? Beloved, I want us to start with the population in this system. The system have run from 2018 till today, being 9th of July 2026. 9th of July 2026. The system have registered users up to 13 million people have registered on this platform. Out of the 13.075 million people, we have 12.5 million people having investment in the system, meaning the remaining about 500,000 persons have not activated the account. They just registered and abandoned the account. And presently, the active investment in the platform is $17.4 trillion. $17.4 trillion as active investments running in the trading pool. The overall investment from 2018 to this very date in the system, the expired investments and the current 17 trillion together is $66.4 trillion. That is to say, about 40 trillion have expired from investments. And see the total payout that the system have paid investors from 2018 till today. The system have paid out $108 trillion, $108.3 trillion to investors. Wow! They said information is power. If you are not informed, you will be deformed. Sometimes we get information late. Notwithstanding, though we did not get this information early enough, we are now opportune to have it. You know, those 2020, 2021, 2022, there were so many other platforms that came up. But then people burnt their hands, their fingers. So many have burnt their fingers in the name of online investment. But then we are not informed about this platform. From 2016 till today, it is running. And in 2018 rather, till today, it is running and it is running. Look at the website. The website says the operation of this website have been for 3,090 days. 3,090 days. This as just, you may say, this as just information they are putting there to deceive us. Let us go and verify this first. 3,080 days, 3,090 days, if you divide it by the days in the year, which is 366 days, 65 days. Let's calculate it and see. Okay, this is calculator 3090 divided by what? 365. You can see this. This is 8 years and 8 years and 5 months. 8 years and 5 months. In fact, 8 years and 5 months plus now from this calculator. Let's go back to see what is there in the system, whether this record is true or it was just a publication that is just there to manipulate people or to make people believe or not. Let's look at it. Look here. This is business company, sorry, hold on. All right, yeah, this is company's news and updates. Company's news and updates. Let's go there and see. Let's go to this read all. Okay, click on the read all. Look at the latest news. The latest news came this month, 15th of last month. 15th of last month. Sorry, I'm calling October, November. Sorry, July. It is October. It's August we are in. Sorry, this is August 9th. Today is August 9th that I'm making this overview or this review. August 9th, not July, not any other month, but August 9th of 2026. This latest information was posted in July 15th, 2026. This is the most recent. Let's go and see the first post that was made on this platform. And you know these dates, you can know website dates, you can deceive people, but you cannot deceive people on this very when a post was made in a system, you cannot manipulate it. By no means can you manipulate it. Now the last, which is the first updates on this website, was posted in February 12th, 2018. February 12th, 2018. That is to say, the information that was published there, which is the system have been in operation for 3,090 days, is very much accurate. Okay, it's very much accurate. So this system have been paying people for 8 years, and it has not come to your knowledge. It has not come to our knowledge. Anyway, thank God we are here. We have gotten to know it. Why is this system sustained? The system sustenance is based on the trading robot. This is AI trading. The AI that is trading for this system is trading at this accuracy level, above 80%, 87.25% accuracy rate. When you talk about accuracy rate, it means if the system, the AI plays 100 trades, out of the 100 trade, 87 are winning trades. Only the remaining maybe 12 point something or 12 trades or 13 trades that are going on loss. So if a system is trading at this frequency of accuracy, that system cannot go down. Even if they are paying 5% per day, it cannot have issue. So the system is very much certain. The AI is making decisions, enough decisions per day, but the trading rate it does not enter into trade anyhow. From 2018 till today, the total amount of trades is just this amount, only this one, only 488,000 trades have been made. Meaning in a day, the system is not trading more than 200 trades in the whole day. So it makes enough decisions before it places one trade. That makes it to be so much accurate. Now look at the trading record. These are live trading records. Live trading records. Inside this place is 15 trades, 15 completed trades. Out of the 15 trades, we only have 2 trades lost. Only 2 loses. While all the remaining is win, 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 win. So how do you expect such a system to go down? It cannot go down. It cannot. Now this website, Winvest, this website called Winvest, when was it registered? You know, any website at all that you are operating, you can actually know when it was registered on the internet. Just go to whois.com/whois. Okay, then you enter, a page will come up. Sorry, let's go there. Okay, let's move there. Inside here, you put your website address you want to check. Okay, you put the website address you want to know when it was registered. Okay, so you put the website address here, then you click on search. Let's click on search to see when this site was registered. Look at it. This site was registered in 1998. The site was registered 1998, but the robot trading of 3.3% daily started 2018. Meaning from 1998 till this 2018, they were test running their robot. They were developing an accurate robot for their vision. And 2018, they got the vision, they got the robot they needed, and they launched the 3% trading robot. And from that time till today, from that 2018 till today, People are making millions and billions of dollars, not nairas, dollars. All right, before we continue, let's quickly listen to what people are saying about this Winvest opportunity before us. Just listen carefully.
Good. We've gotten something good. Anyhow, you can make money from Winvest, make money from Winvest. That's all I can say. Winvest will pay you back for all the losses you've gotten. All the losses. All. Oh, I mean, all. If you're just joking with it, well, that's you. But me, I'm going all out. By the end of today, by the grace of God, my account will be on 1,000. I know what I want, and I know what I've got. When you see something that is good, say it's good. Keep the scam mentality aside. Keep I've lost money, I think I want. This one is God's giving us something to recover. So by this time, I am happy that your eyes is open. Your eyes of understanding has been fully enlightened. So please, ride on.
Thank God for the opportunity that presented itself. Buy and verified against system, tested, trusted, operated for 8 good years, and operating, paying, trading at the accuracy level of 87% accuracy level. And you are still observing, you are still watching, you are still looking the loss. You don't need other motivation again in Winvest to start doing something that will help you. If you have your money bunked in the bank, good and fine for you. As you are eating, it is going. And more also, bank is using it for their own business, paying you nothing. Why not invest that money in a system that will pay you at least something to help others, even if you don't need that something that will come from what you're investing in? Maybe what you have can sustain you for the rest of your life, will have to sustain all your children, grandchildren. You have so much in your bank that you don't clean off. So that is the confidence we have. System that will pay $107 trillion to subscribers, to members, to investors. And currently, at the very moment, having 12 point something million registered persons. Investors currently running 12 point something million people in the platform. Payments are delivered within 24 hours. Anytime you make a withdrawal, I see your money within 24 hours. What more do you want somebody to tell you? Help yourself. As you can see from the above calculation, even with your simple $10, if you can just see it as you've thrown it to the river and allow it to compound, try to compound it for only 1 year, you will not be what people look at you to be again. Your life will turn around. How many degrees? Sir? Is it 360 degree or 360 times 10 degree? And just history, the past become an history. Live the new life that you dreamt of. Invest in Winvest. If you have, put in the most you can put in. The more you put in, the more profit you make by day. Because any amount you put in the same 3% daily is what you get. $1,000 will give you $3,000. Sorry, $30 daily. $2,000 will give you $60 daily. $3,000 will give you $90 daily. Daily earning for 60 days. You love, put your money in Winvest. Stop looking for online platform that promises you heaven and earth. Before we talk about system like this, we see the trading history, the trading pattern, the trading report is extremely accurate. Winvest is here for you.
Yeah, a beautiful evening to each and everyone. This is Crypto King. Just as I've been saying, it is very good you get to start Winvest now. Don't wait until you have much money or plenty of money before you start. Start with little you can. A lot of us always want to wait until we have much amount of money or plenty amount of money before we get to start the project that is presented to us. One thing is sure, you can always add up later.
Hello, my name is Fabilonia. Let me drop this voice note to encourage someone. This business you are in, Winvest, it's unique, it's different. I know our fingers have been burnt in so many scam platforms, but this is not one of those. I have seen online sites, online businesses sites. I have never seen anyone like Winvest. The first time Winvest came to me, it was like 3 years or 4 years ago. It's been long. I clicked on that link. And when I clicked, I saw how busy the platform was. So many write-up. What came to my mind was BetNiger system. Because BetNiger platform, when you click on it, you see so many write-up like that. So I just closed the site. I didn't do anything about it. I didn't even read. And the person that introduced me did not persuade me or try to convince me. So that was how I left it. That's how I missed this opportunity years ago. When I came again this year, I saw it. How I knew is when I clicked on the link and I saw that same website and I saw Winvest. Everything my mind just went back to that period that I was first introduced to the business. I told the person introduced me to this. I have seen this site before. This is not the first time I've seen this. I've seen this site before and I thought it was BetNiger. This time around, I took my time to go through, to read through, to see, to peruse the sites. Everything is just crystal clear. Everything is just clean. The kind of peace I have about this business is unquestionable. First time I made withdrawal and it took almost 24 hours. I was scared. I was like, this Winvest that I've trusted, this Winvest that I've preached so much about it. But behold, just few hours to 24 hours, the withdrawal dropped. I told myself,
Okay, a beautiful evening to each and every one of us here. This is Crypto King. Now, for those that are just joining us, do where to go through what we have just posted about Winvest. Winvest is a crypto project that you can deposit minimum of $10 to be earning 3% on your capital daily. Yeah, a beautiful evening to each and every one of us here. This is Crypto King. Now, you can see what is happening all over. A lot of people are making crazy money like never before right now. If you're in this group and you're not making money, you are doing yourself. You are not helping yourself financially at all. So you need to step up your game. You need to wake up. Winvest is here, giving people 3% of whatever they deposited on a daily basis. And you can decide to be cashing out. You can even withdraw as low as $1. So what are you waiting for? This is one of the most beautiful projects we have ever seen, and it is very solid, very legit, and it's something that you should take very serious right now. Imagine if you start compounding $500 right now. You deposit $500, you start compounding it on a daily basis. You keep reinvesting back your earnings for a period of 1 month or 2 months before you start removing. Or you can even decide to just compound it throughout the year. You compound it in November or December this year. You will celebrate your Christmas in grand style. You will have a lot of things to achieve from this project. What are you waiting for? You have opportunity before you right now in Winvest. You only deposit Bitcoin and you can equally only withdraw it through Bitcoin. Deposits and start earning. The ball is in your court. You have all what it takes right now. You have your phone, you have internet.
So, beloved, you are fortunate to be informed about this system today. I want us to quickly look at withdrawal records. Look at withdrawals. Look at withdrawal records. Okay, look at this is 3,300 and okay, this is just $333 It's small. Okay, this is $23,000 to one person account. $23,000. Or this. Okay, you can see all these are withdrawals that people are making. How long has this withdrawals? Just within the last 5 minutes is these withdrawals have been made. The last 5 minutes. So below, this is a system that have been globally trusted. Let's look at the trust level. See, all these are individual and companies. They are all independent companies that are validating websites. And if your website is not validated, it's not trusted in the US, you cannot be showing on this system. This system, look at it here, look at this trusted sites that most of us know on the internet. Trusted sites. It also speaks about Winvest. Look at it. It is ticked green. It is ticked green. Can we see that? Ticked green, meaning it is trusted. So this is a site that is trusted by even trusted sites. Everything is green, 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 verified, verified. Can you see that? Certified. Everything is certified, even on this system. So beloved, this is a system you can actually trust and move on with, irrespective of what you have experienced on the investment and space. Winvest is paying you 3% daily, 3% daily on any amount you invest. And this amount that you invest, it runs for only 60 days. At the end of the 60 days, you get your 180%. That is to say, each amount you are putting in the Winvest, you are getting 40% monthly interest. 40% monthly, because the 2 months will give you 80% profit. If you divide it by 2, that is 40%. So you are getting 40% monthly interest from every deposit you make anytime. Whoa, this is a system that I've been running. Look at the name that was registered. The name registered with the corporate affair in US. And US corporate affair is not like in developing countries and corporate affairs where you can just put in any name and register yourself and start running. No. In US, before you get your company registered, you must be verified by the appropriate offices, by the appropriate agencies. And these Winvest are being registered in the US ACAC. The company registering organization or arm of government in US have registered this company to run this AI 3% earning platform. Beloved, I want to say, look at it. They say it was founded in 2018 by a team of AI scientists, professional traders, and the financial analysis. The platform has rapidly grown into a global leader in AI-driven trading solution. In 2024 rather, we established Wealth Invest Corp. That is the name. The name was registered in the CAC in US 2024. At that time, it has run for about 4 years or 6 years rather, before it was registered. It is now an entity, a legally registered entity in the US. So once you register and make any deposits, the system will give you a certificate of share. So you are buying a share, just like Facebook. Facebook is still selling shares. Amazon is still selling shares. For you to get shares, there will be hard now because shares are high there now. But here, with $10 you started. $10 you gotten your own share certificate, and you must get your 180% in 2 months, 60 days. So what are you waiting for? Don't allow those past records to hold you down, because this very system will make you to cover all that you've ever lost. That is the simple truth. Remember, the good wine most times comes late when people are already drunken with the bad wine. And this is one of such kind of good wines. Look at this person that have withdrawn $155,000, $154,000 just this afternoon. How many minutes ago? 4 minutes ago. Look at it. And this is the when you make withdrawal, within 24 hours maximum, you get your money in your account. Irrespective of how much. Minimum withdrawal is $1. Minimum deposit, minimum to start with in this system is $10. But your minimum to withdraw is $1. If you have up to $1 in your account, you can make a withdrawal. It will enter your Bitcoin wallet within 24 hours. Within 24 hours. Sometimes it takes less than even 2 hours. It enters your account. So that is the system I'm introducing to us. I want to log in. You that want to start, when you log in, when you click the link, make sure you click the appropriate link, the link that is made available for you. When you click it, as the page opens, open to this top, the top right rather, you see open account. So here you fill the form. While you're filling, make sure this number is as it is. Make sure this number appear. The person referring you, the person's number, make sure it appears here. Don't submit it being blank. Make sure the number you saw on the link you click should appear here. Then this is your own number. You can write it down before submitting your form, so that after submission you no bother to go to your email before logging in. You move down. If you have Bitcoin wallet address already, then you put your Bitcoin wallet address. If you don't have, you can submit it and then later edit your profile to include it. All the remaining informations are self-explanatory. Like this PIN, the PIN is your withdrawal PIN, just like you have PIN for your ATM card. So you must create a PIN that you will not forget, 4-digit PIN that you will always use when you want to make a withdrawal. So create your own PIN. Then here the secret question or security question. Security question, you can ask yourself, what is your phone number, what is your surname, what is your maiden name? Then you answer the question you ask yourself at this point. Then you put in this number. After filling the whole form, you put in this number here. The captcha, you put it, and then you highlight this, you agree to the terms, you click submit or create account. Now you created your account. Now we log into our dashboard. Let's go to what the dashboard contains. We shall be there now. Go into my system. I want to go into my system. Already I've logged in. So when you click on this thing, as you want to log in, when you want to open account, you come here. When you want to login, you click on this login. I've already logged in, so it will just take me to my dashboard now. All right. Okay. Now in here, this is your table to use. This is the dashboard. This account overview is the dashboard. This make an investment. When you want to start, as you want to start investments, you click on this, make an investment. Look at it here. Either you click on this or you can come here to the center and say make a deposit. You click on make a deposit. Then here you put the amount you want to put, the amount you want to invest, starting from $10. If you want to invest $1,000, you put the 1,000. If it's 10,000, you put the 10,000. Then you click on this. You click on this invest fund. The system will send you this wallet address. This becomes your wallet at any time you want to send, you want to add more money, the same wallet address. So just copy it and save it for yourself. Then go to your exchange, either Bybit, Rokio Wallet, Binance, is it Token Pocket, or whichever. Just go there and send your money, Bitcoin, to it. And the moment it appears, the moment network confirms it, you now see it under account overview. You see it here appear. Okay? When you see it here appear, the next day, the same hour, the same minute, it reflects here. You will get your 3% daily. Like this account today, already I have made reinvestment today. When you reinvest, you look at a system. I registered this system when about how many days ago? Hold on. This system was registered June 23rd. From 23rd till today, look what has been accumulated as earnings. And these earnings, I am not withdrawing it. Why? Because the system is a verified, guaranteed earning system. Instead of withdrawing it, I am reinvesting it. That is why you have the balance here. Keep on increasing. Now I want to reinvest this one again. After that, I will show you something. To reinvest, anytime you have up to $10 here, you can reinvest. When you reinvest, your next day earning will be addition, because the one you invest here, you are reinvesting, will also be giving you a profit by tomorrow, which will also count 60 days on its own. So here now, to reinvest, to make an reinvestment, the balance that is here should be there. Then you click on make an investment or make deposit. Put the amount that you have there, which is $63, I think so, for this 62. Okay, you put the 62 that you have, then scroll down here. Since you have balance, you have something here, and this one you want to use, you will come to click this. But as a beginner that want to start, you will use this one so that you get Bitcoin wallet address to send. Okay, now I'm reinvesting, so I click this and I click on this invest fund. It come up here, I click on this again, it's now entered. It says successful. It was 913 earlier, but now 975. The account has been updated. Look at the profit. Look at the certificate. The moment you do an investment, the system gives you a certificate. Okay? You get certificate the moment you get your investment running in the. All right, look at it. This is the certificate that you get once you invest. You must get this certificate. And with this certificate, you must get your money complete. Your 60%, your 60 days contract must be completed. Now I want to still show us something here. As you invest, you come to, when you want to, possibly you want to change your password. All these things are here to guide you. Each investment stands on its own. So from this active investment, You click on the active investments. It will take you through your investments. Look at the amount that was started with. I started with just $10. Just $10 is what I started with, which is remaining 13 days to expire. The next one I invested was after 2 days, which was on the 2 days after the first investment. So that one is remaining 15 days to expire. That same day, these two investments were in the same day, this 66 and the 61, the same day. So they are remaining 15 days each to expire. While the one that I just invested, the one I just put in, is having 69 days to expire. See, the one I invested this morning is still having 69.16 days because I invested this one earlier than this. Look at. And between that around 9 in the morning to this very about 4 after 4, already 66 have entered the account again for me to reinvest. If I want to withdraw, I am 100% free to withdraw it. For 8 years, the system is paying just like this. It's just paying like this. Beloved, I wouldn't want to just waste your time the more. If you have lost before online, then from this profile, let me just check here. From this profile settings, you can change your password, your PIN, and anything you want to change. You cannot change your email address, and you cannot change your username. Those are the two things you cannot change. Okay, you can share your certificate, but it has no relevance there. Your withdrawal, you want to make withdrawal, you come to this withdrawal any day, anytime, any night, either midnight, morning, afternoon, you are not bound. But I don't have any balance here now, so I cannot make withdrawal because I've just invested what I was having in my balance. You put your wallet address, here, the amount here, then you click on withdraw funds. The next page will bring you wallet address, your PIN, where you put your PIN, the 4-digit PIN you created when you were registering. You put it there, then the thing is there, you're already there in your account. So beloved, I want to charge us. If you have ever wasted money in the name of online investment, then this is a recovery platform for you. If you put in $1,000, let's go to the calculator to know how much you can make within a year or within 6 months with $100, with $1,000, with $20,000. If you want to reinvest it for maybe 6 months before you make withdrawal, let's see what you will be having within a period of 1 year. Beloved, if you have like $1,000 to invest in this system, within a year you will start building your mansion. Simple truth. Let's get there. And to get a calculator, a compounding calculator for this system, if you go online and search for compound calculators and do your calculation, you will get a wrong figure, which will be higher than what you will actually get. So the right calculator to use is go to visionslife.com.ng. Let me type. Okay, when you come to this visionslife.com.ng, okay, which is visionslife.com.ng, when you come, click on these 3 lines at this left or right top. When you click on it, scroll down to this last one, this one here, click on this. Okay, when you click on it, it brings you this. So here you now put in the amount. This is just $100. With $100, if you compound this $100 for 300 days, which is for 10 months, only 10 months. For 10 months, see what you will be getting within a year. Within a year, your $100 will amount to about $93,000, because this amount here is the amount that is being reinvested. But when you reinvest, what you are getting is the 80% is the profit you are making. Okay, so your calculation will be, look at the heading here. It says total reinvestment, total reinvested time is 80% is your total, is your earning. So with your $100 only investments, if you compound it for 1 year, look at what you get. This time is 80%, $93,000 with just $100 investment. What if you put $1,000? Just do your calculation. $1,000 will give you about $1 million, about 900 and something thousand dollars. Just $1,000. And this system have paid since 2018 till today. Is paying. Beloved, what are you still waiting for? You've lost money online. This is your opportunity to recover all. But then there is something very important. The important thing is the system says they are not going to continue investments for life. They have a target. Let me get to that point. Now they have a target. Once they get the required amount they need, they will stop collecting new investments. And that required amount, you don't know either is today or tomorrow that it will be completed. You don't know. So the earlier you start, the better for you. That is just the picture. Okay, let's look at this plan. It says To support the expansion of our decentralized AI infrastructure, we are offering an exclusive 60 days investment plan featuring a fixed 3% daily returns, totaling 180% over the 60 days term. The limited opportunity is available only until the required capital is raised, at which point it will close a new participant, close to new participants. The plan is structured to encourage broad participation with a minimum investment requirement of $10 and a focus to deliver consistent, predictable daily returns. Beloved, you have the opportunity at your doorstep now. It's just at your doorstep. So, or if you want to invest, and maybe just want to invest for a short term, I want to invest it for just 1 month, and then at the end of the 1 month, I will go off. Let's look at it. If you put in just $100 or $1,000, at the end of the 60 days, see what you get. $1,800. That is $800 becomes your profit, and your $1,000 that you put in has been returned. So, beloved, not to say too much again, like Jesus would say, even if the dead man will go back from the dead world to go and tell them, they will not believe. If they will not believe the prophets that are there, the same thing applies here. You are not under compulsion to invest, but if you love yourself, I will encourage you to invest in it, because this is a system that is globally trusted. I think I show us how it is trusted globally as well. You can click any of this and find out. You can just go there and find out by yourself. Globally trusted 3% daily earning system. Beloved, you can go through the site by yourself. There are networking benefits. If you are a networker, you can actually make a lot from it as well. From networking, first level is 5%, second level is 3%, the second level is 2%, while third level is 1%. So referral is not big. But then, though referral is not big, the person you are bringing in is getting his 3% daily earnings, so there is no issue. Look at global representatives. So many global representatives. See the countries that have global representatives. All these are countries. Look at US. US is the base. This system is based in US. All these ones are US representatives. I know US people are not like developing people that just go. See Brazil. See Nigeria. Look at it. See us here. We are so many here. That is good. Look at it. And if you become a global representative, to become a global representative, you must have at least $500 in your total investment. Then 8 persons as your downliners. Once you meet these two requirements, you become a global representative. You submit application from the top of your dashboard. You see become a global rep. You click on it, fill the form, you submit. At that point, you begin to get 8% from your first level referrals deposits, and the same 2% and 1% from second and the third level. This is a huge opportunity. Without referring anybody, your own money will be earning you 3% every single day, Monday to Sunday, 24/7. Are you not tired of waiting for the end of the month to get salary? Invest in Winvest today. Winvest have lasted for how many years? 8 years. 8 years. And you will continue to receive your money as you keep on investing. Withdraw anytime you want, reinvest anytime you want, just according to your vision, what you are proposing, what you are expecting. So, beloved, I wish us the best of luck as we keep on investing in Winvest to make our financial dreams, our financial goals come true. According to your vision, according to your plan, according to your aim, according to your ability, invest in Winvest and see yourself growing and moving out of financial lack onto financial abundance. Let wisdom guide you. Don't say, "I die no," in the future by not investing in Winvest. Because in Winvest is a sure win, 100 times win play. See the trading record? Look at the trading record. This system does not just trade. It waits for the accurate trade to enter. The trading record is 87% point something. Above 87, okay, now 87.4, 87.49%, the current trading rate or accuracy rates. And it has paid out how many million of persons? See this one, I've just received, look at this. This person has just withdrawn $221,000. 221,000, which is about above 300 million nairas have been withdrawn just now by this person. Can you see this $1,000 withdrawn? So money is just dropping every second, every minute. And you are here. Please do yourself the favor. Click on the link. Click on the link. Register yourself. Look for money and invest in Winvest. In the next few months, you will thank God that you did. But if you want to be kept on hold because of past experiences, then you have the story to tell by the time the system closes on you. Herein, I stop my presentation. Let wisdom lead you and guide you to do what will help you. And before you take your final conclusion, please pray and ask God what He is saying concerning it, so that you will not be misled, either by me or by your past experiences. Ask God to know what God is saying. Yes, to know what God is saying. Then your decision will be appropriately directed. I wish you a fruitful investment experience, productive investment experience.